and welcome back to Passive Profit Program. Today, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink your pages in your document. This is my digital product planner, which you can find on my website at beacons.ai/passive profit program, okay? It's going to be under the 10 hyperlink digital products in the business bundle. This is this document right here. It also comes with MRR and PLR rights, so if you wanted to customize it before you sold it to your viewers, you could do that as well. You can also sell it as is. So there's that. It's only $7. You get 10 of them, okay? So if you bought it from me, you'll see this Canva link right here, and you'll click Use Template for New Design. Click that, and this is the cover digital product planner. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to hyperlink your pages. So if I click this right here, now I did not label or title any of the pages. See, add page title, that means I did not title it. So this one is page 7, but it's knowledge and skill set. So I'll click untitled, knowledge and skill set. Click here, bring you back to the home page or the table of contents. Click this. Types of products, okay? Coupons and promotion, click that, and there you go, and so on and so forth. So the home button on the table of contents I made to bring you back to the cover page. Click this, cover page, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that in a different tab. So we have our new document here, blank. It's only one page, nothing on it. Let me retitle this right here, hyperlinked example. Okay, so this is the recently used ebook cover. I'm going to use this. I'm going to change this. Okay. I'm going to add a new page, add some text. I'm going to name it Table of Contents, okay? Change the font. I'm going to do 50. I'm going to center it and put it right here. Now, next I'm going to add an element. Make it a rectangle. Type. Page 1, I'm going to make this 20 so we can see it. Now, if you're on a MacBook, it's going to be Command D, D as in dog, to duplicate an element. If you're on a Windows, it might be Control D, okay? So Command D, I'm going to put it here, and then 3 more times to keep copying it. I'm going to select all of them and do Command D again. Command or Control D, depending on what device you're on. And I'm going to select them all, center them, make them a little smaller, and center them, okay? Now I'm going to change the names of the buttons, alright? These are going to be our page buttons. Okay. Excuse me. Next, we are going to add, so you'll still be in Elements. We're going to add the home button, okay? So if you don't see this, because I recently used it, so you probably won't see that, just put home button, search that. If you have Canva Pro, you'll be able to use all of these Pro icon versions right here. But if you don't, you need to use a free version that doesn't have that. So we're going to use this one right here. We're going to put it up here, make it smaller, okay. Now if you want to move it around, it likes to do this little snap feature. So you may have to zoom in to put it exactly where you want it to be. Hold on. I want it right here. Yeah. Alright. Now. Okay, so we have the table of contents. It's ready. Next, we're going to add a page. Add some text. I'm going to make this very generic, just so you can see the concept of it, okay? I'm going to make it 50. Put it up here. We're going to copy. Copy on a MacBook is Command C, Windows, Control C. So I'm going to do Command C. Select this page. Command V to paste. Control V on a Windows, okay? So the home button is here. I'm also going to add some generic text. This text is for page 1. We're going to leave that there. But you can put, obviously, whatever information you want to add on these pages, you do that. This is very generic. I'm just showing you how to add the hyperlinks, okay? So, this is to hide page. This is to lock page, duplicate page, delete page, and to add page. It's really to add a blank page, okay? So as we go along, let's name the pages. I'm going to put page 1. I'm going to duplicate this. And it also duplicates the title. So let's put page 2. Page 2, okay? We're actually not going to duplicate this because we want to link it first. So we're not going to do that. We'll do that at the end. Okay. So, let's duplicate this until we get to page 10. So, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. It might take a while, but you know what? Let's power through it. It's okay. It's not that many pages. But if you do have a document that's like over 30, you might want to make sure you have everything set up before you duplicate your pages, because you'll have to do this for every single page. Thankfully, we only have 10 pages, so it's not too bad. Okay. We have all of our pages. Okay. So, look at the grid view. Cover, table of contents, all of the pages. Okay? So, now what we're going to do, I'm on a MacBook, so I could use 2 fingers to click, which will be my right click, and it'll bring up the menu here. I'm going to click link. Scroll down and click the page you want to put, okay? Page 1. Done. Let me actually name this TOC, Table of Contents, and I'm going to name this Cover, okay? So we know what we're looking at. If you don't have a MacBook and you don't want to use the 2 fingers, whatever your right click is, click it, link, scroll down, page 2. Link it to the page you know you want to put. That's why it makes sense to name the pages, so you know what you're linking, okay? If you don't have that, just left click on a MacBook, 3 dots, more, link. It gives you the same feature, okay? Page 3. Done. 4, link. Page 4. I'll show you different variations as I go. Oh, hold on. I put, what? 5, So, what does page 4 have? Oh, Lord. I mixed them up. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Okay. 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Excuse me. I like to link this hyperlink on the table of contents to the home page, the cover page, okay? We're going to link that to the cover. Done. Page 1 and every page on forward, we're going to link to the table of contents, which we titled TOC. Done. Okay? So that's linked. We're going to do Command-C or Control-C, depending on which operating system you have. And click the next page, Command-V or Control-V to paste, okay? And it's already hyperlinked. I'm going to do that on every page. Now, if you have more than 10 pages, like I said, this is very simple because it's only 10 pages, but if you have more, you might want to duplicate the page as you go. Depending on how your ebook or whatever digital product you're making is set up, you might want to do this beforehand. But I only have 10 pages, so it's not much for me to just copy and paste it on each page. So, these are all hyperlinked. I can click this and be back here. I'll click this and be at the cover, okay? And when you hyperlink them, they'll most likely be underlined like this. So, that's done. Let me, to save it and download it, share, download. Make sure you save it as a PDF standard so you can click the hyperlinks. Download. Save. Click this button right here if you're on a MacBook. And this will be the finished product, okay? Now, table of contents, page 1, home button, page 4, home button, 7, home button, page 10, home button. The home button on the table of contents brings us where? To the cover. So there you go. And that is how you hyperlink your pages in your document in Canva. If you have any questions about anything else you would like me to show you, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.